So guys, get a new tire. This is for the rear wheel. So I have to change my old tire. So I have the old one there. This is already consumed. Look, this is my butt locks. I mounted this around 9,000 kilometers. So now I have I have 17,600, almost 18,000. So mileage of the old one compared to this is almost the same. My old one is Pirelli Diablo scooter. It took me 9,000 to change. So this is my Bridgestone butt locks. So this the mileage of this is around 8,000 plus, let's say 9,000. So it's almost the same with the old Diablo. This is Bridgestone. So I want to change my tire into this one. I took the Diablo Rosso. I decided to get this. This is Pirelli Diablo Rosso scooter SC. So the original equipment, the OEM of this Honda Forza is Diablo scooter. So I wanted to change butt locks Bridgestone to Diablo Rosso scooter because my front wheel is also a Diablo Rosso scooter. This one. So this one is also Diablo Rosso scooter. And I like the grip, I like the design. That's why I wanted to get also this Diablo Rosso. So this is like with the motorcycle, but it's made for the street. It is also made for racing. So this is scooter. This is SC. By the way, SC means special compound, as per Pirelli said what it means. So 14 MC 62S. So this is 62S, and my butt locks is 68. 68S. So 62 is my minimum, so I'm allowed to put 62 here. Okay, so this is designed for track, for racing, but it is it's also street legal. It's also designed for the street, for urban. Because I like the front wheel is has a good grip, so I decided I want this for my back. So let's see how many mileage will take me. So okay guys, that's it. If you look the design, this is Thunder. This is design of the one they use in motorcycle, R1 CBR. Okay. So by the way, I have, this is new production date. I have to look. Production date is here. So production date is 18 weeks 2025. So it's new, it's only this year. So guys, that's it. If you look at the design, it has a nice design. This is the old one. So this is 140 70 14 62S TL Diablo Rosso scooter SC. So okay guys, maybe tomorrow I'll go to the mechanic to mount this, and let's see how many mileage can make me with this one and performance. So that's it guys. See you soon.